Did you know that one of television's most famous love stories was actually psychological warfare disguised as romance? Ygritte didn't just fall for Jon Snow. She systematically dismantled everything he believed about himself. Think about it. She was his captor first, his lover second. That's not an accident. She used intimacy as a weapon. Every kiss broke down his Night's Watch identity. Every night together made his vows feel like chains instead of honor. This is Stockholm Syndrome in reverse. Instead of the prisoner falling for the captor seduced the prisoner into betraying everything he stood for. Her tactics were surgical. Challenge his assumptions about wielding savagery. Use physical passion to create a guilt about his sacred vows. Position herself as his true self versus his false constraints. She made him choose between love and loyalty. And she knew emotional bonds always win over rational duty. The tragedy, she understood that love fades, but identity transformation is permanent. Ygritte didn't just want Jon's heart, she wanted his soul, and she got it.